Example B. Find, expand 1 plus 3x power of 1 over 3 in ascending powers of x until and including the term x cubed, and find the interval that the expansion is valid. By using x equals 1 over 1 to 5, find the value of cube root of 2 to 5 decimal places. Okay, now we have a binomial term here with the power, the exponent 1/3, which is a fraction. Then we are going to apply this formula 1 plus ex. Luckily we have 1 here, so we can just proceed with this formula. 1 plus n times ex, the power, times the second term, plus n minus 1, two things here, 2 factorial, second term, power of 2 will be 2 and 2 here, and then plus n minus 1, n minus 2, three things here, 3 factorial, ex, 3 power 3 plus triple dot. And then with the ex is 3x and n is 1/3, we just have to substitute, you will get the expansion. Therefore 1 plus, here we go, 3x, 1 over 3, 1/3 equals 1 plus 1/3, and then multiply with the second term, 3x plus power minus 1, so 1/3 minus 1, two things here, over 2 factorial, the second term with the positive sign, 2 here, power of 2, plus two things, 2 terms, up another 1, 3 things, 3 factorial, 1/3 minus 1, 1/3 minus 2, 3 things, remember, over 3 factorial, the second term, 3x, 3 factorial, power 3 plus the triple dot. And then simplify all the terms, all the 4 terms, we get 1 plus cancel out 3, we will get x. Right, 1/3 times 1/3 minus 1, 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3 over 2 factorial, just 2, times with 9, 3 squared is 9, 9 times x squared. So what do we get here? Minus x squared. Then for the last term, the fourth term, 1/3 times negative 2/3 times with negative 5/3 times 3 cubed is 27, x cubed over 3 factorial is 6. So overall we will get positive 5 over 3x cubed plus the triple dot at the end. And then second part, find the interval that the expansion is valid. So we have to look at the validity. This expansion valid when the modulus 3x less than 1, or in other words, we divide by x, we will get modulus, we divide by 3, modulus x less than 1/3. So x must be always between negative 1/3 and 1/3. By substituting x equals 1 over 1 to 5, find the value of cube root of 2. So before we can substitute the x, we have to get all the information that we have to gather all the information that we have from the previous part, which is the expansion of 1 plus 3x power of 1 over 3 is equal to 1 plus x minus x squared plus 5 over 3 x cubed plus triple dot. and this expansion valid when just x between negative 1/3 up to 1/3. So now we have to get this value from the left hand side, and then we will get the answer in 5 decimal places from the right hand side. Just simply substitute the given value x equals 1/125. Before that, we have to make sure the given value of x must be in between negative 1/3 up to 1/3. Otherwise, we cannot use this expansion. So since 1/125 is smaller than 1/3, so we can substitute the value direct in this expansion. So when x equals 1/125, this is smaller than 1/3, so we can use this formula. We have to substitute this value in both left hand side and right hand side. So in left hand side, we will get 1 plus 3 bracket 1/125 to the power 1/3 equals 1 plus x replaced with the given value 1 plus 1/125 minus 125 squared plus 5/3 x with 1/125 cubed plus the triple dot. And then we simplify just inside the bracket. 1 plus 3/125. So 1/5 plus 3, 1/8 over 1/5. Remember, only inside the bracket. Remaining term 1/3, the exponent outside. And then you can use calculator on right hand side. Right, for the right hand side, you can just simply use your calculator. Just press your calculator. 1 plus 1/125 minus 1/125 squared plus 5/3 times 1/125 cubed. Just use your calculator, and then you can take the 5, and it should be more than 5 because we want to get more accurate value later in the final answer. So now from the calculator, we get 1.007937. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So better we take more than 5 decimal places. But right now we have to focus on the numbers inside the bracket here. The question asks us to find cube root of 2. So how do we get the 2 from 1 to 8 over 1 to 5? Obviously we have to factorize out 2. Means that 2 times something will be 1 to 8, which is 64. 64 over 1 to 5. Put a square bracket here. Everything power of 1/3 equals 1.007937. By using the rules of indices, the exponent here 1/3 belongs to everything inside the bracket, meaning that 2 to the power of 1/3, or we can write it as cube root of 2, and also this one, the whole bracket 64 over 1 to 5 power of 1/3, or cube root of 64 over 1 to 5 is equal to, still the same on right hand side, 1.007937. Okay, now simplify wherever we can. 64 cube root of 2. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 1 to 5 is 5. So we have 4 over 5 here. equals 1.007937. Okay, we leave the cube root of 2 on left hand side. Bring everything, move to the right, means that this number multiply by 5 divided by 4. Or I can say 5 over 4 here times 1.007937. And once again, use your calculator to find the final answer. We get 1.25992. This is the final answer. So if you wonder, is this the correct value or not, you can check by using calculator. We can press cube root of 2 equals 1.25992. See, we get the same value here. That's it.